Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 Ram Laramie. This is a 5.7 liter V8 4x4. This is a very clean engine. Go ahead and put this down, take it for a tour. Let's have the alloy wheels. And of course there's the Hemi 5.7 liter branding. It does have dual exhaust, a tow package, backup camera, and spray liner. Gorgeous spray liner. Looks brand new. Also has a power sliding back window. Go ahead and take you for a tour of the interior. See, it has black leather trimmed out with gray accents, and you have your power supplies down there. I do like these floor mats. Okay, here's the VIN right here. Your driver's seat adjustments. And you also have, has a wood look to the accents. Right here we've got your headlights on. I'll go ahead and put those on auto. If you look right here, you see that you have 8,982 miles on this vehicle. We'll come over here and turn this down a little bit so you can hear me. Obviously the stereo works. We'll turn it down. You have AM, FM, and Sirius XM. It also has Bluetooth. If you're looking for the Bluetooth right there, here are your climate controls. You also have vented and heated seats in the front, and you also have a heated steering wheel. And here are your apps as well. Your audio settings, your other controls. Right now we're using the driver vented seat because it is 100 degrees outside. As you see right here, it's displaying 108 degrees. It is really hot. Okay, right here you have your push to talk. Oh, by the way, it's super comfortable in here. The air conditioning works really well. And if you want to scroll through here, okay, your fuel economy, your trip computer, your vehicle info, speedometer, and that's all from here. Then you also have your cruise control, your gear limit. Come over here and you have your push button start. Here's your shifter, 2 and 4-wheel drive, your tow controls, and your glove compartment is over here. Up above you have your map lights and your sliding back window. So that about wraps it up for this vehicle. It does have a branded title. There was an impact here on the front. It turned out to only be cosmetic. We were able to get it all fixed up. It has passed a 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.